Hello everybody, welcome back to Scuba Ty, and today we're going to be river treasure hunting under these bridges. I brought my magnet to see if I could pick anything up, and then we're just going to be walk around, see if we could see anything with our eyes, and maybe I'll stick my head under with a mask and see if I see anything. So hope you enjoy the video, and see ya. What the heck is that? Huh. Oh, dead crayfish. No way. It's our first can of the day. So what, a Heineken? Oh. Yep. Alright. Got a Twisted Tea can I'm trying to get. Come on. Come on. There it is. Nice. There we go. Alrighty, first spot was not really a success, so we're gonna try this new spot right here. We're gonna make our way down right there, and we're gonna go all the way to the bridge and then loop back and see what we could find. I don't know what that is. Huh. A bowl? A bowl.
Like a plastic bowl?
No, it's glass. Huh. Well, that's different. Let's get that Coors can. Come on, man. There we go. Golf ball. This one's full of something. I don't know what that is. Weird. What that is. At least you found something. It's a big bird. Giving us a good view, huh, buddy? Alrighty, so here's everything that we found. Found these 4 cans. One of them is full. We found this Twisted Tea can, Coors Light, a Speedway gift card, Some little knob for something. Another can of something. Oh, like a little nail or screw or something. And then just some, I don't know what that is, just some junk. 2 shotgun shells, which is pretty cool to find. They're empty though, so definitely used. I don't know what this is. Looks like a handle to something maybe. Another handle. Top of a beer bottle. Found this bowl, which is pretty cool. I don't know. Never found a bowl in the river before, so that's kind of cool. This Heineken beer can. This toy doesn't work. 3 golf balls. Got a Titleist. I don't know what this is. Just some junk. And then the coolest find of the day, I don't even know what this is. At first I thought it was a crowbar, but I'm not sure what it is. So yeah, those are the finds of the day. Nothing too crazy, but at least we got to clean up the river a little bit.